to BeatO Food Lab with Chef Mirvaan. Today we are making Poriyal with English vegetable. First we need to add some oil to our hot pan. We'll add some chana dal to it and also some urad dal. With this we're going to add some mustard seeds as well now. Also some dry red chilli, a little bit of hing. I'm going to add chopped onions, curry leaves. We'll add some green chilies, cauliflower and carrots. I'm gonna add some salt. Let me add some broccoli to it. Always add your greens in the end. Little bit of water, and the next ingredient that goes in is coconut. So our vibrant Poriyal is ready to be served with my favorite ragi appams. See you next time on BeatO Food Lab with Chef Mirvaan.